Hello everyone. Yes. Yes.
I want to
Everyone is getting my voice.
कॉपी पे लिख के हमको दिखाएंगे कि ऐसा क्या हो गया अब्दुल्ला?
Okay, I'm muting you everyone.
Teacher,
For me
today's
to
and
discuss with you guys because it is very noisy.
it's a
Okay,
Father's
everyone?
Day, na?
Yes, 21st June is the Father's Day, and for that, I will share you some ideas and design. You can make it in your home. You can make in your home. Okay.
Okay.
Because it's too noisy, mute yourself, and then if you have any question, unmute yourself and ask me. Okay, I'm going to give you all. Everyone, can you start? Everyone. Hello, Bram. Bram, can you keep your video webcam away from your face so that I can see your whole face? Amna and Ayan Ahmed, I can't see your faces, beta. Yes, that's better, Abraham. आवाज नहीं आ रही सही से? अब आवाज आ रही है? I'm gonna mute you all so that you can hear my voice. Because everyone is talking at once, so you can't hear my voice. Okay? In the end of the session, I will mute you all, and then you can ask me questions regarding the presentation I'm gonna show you. Okay?
Teacher.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna mute you all. Let's wait for everyone, and I'm gonna share you Father's Day celebration videos. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna share the screen, and please do not doodle in my screen. Let's share the screen. Yes, this one and this one.
सबको म्यूट कर दें.
Yes, I did unmute mute yourself. Okay. Okay, now everyone, I'm gonna show you a presentation. Okay, this is for the Father's Day. You're gonna have to prepare a surprise gift for your father on the Father's Day celebration, which is going to be on this. Father's Day is celebrated annually on the third Sunday in June, mostly around the world. Some countries celebrated on others day, but mostly it is on June. This year, Father's Day will be celebrated on Sunday, 21st June 2020, one of the longest day of the year. You know, can you Google it and you can find out that this day is the longest day of all the year. When you Google it, you will know it why it is the longest.
No,
day.
miss.
Now, how to celebrate a Father's Day? You can make a card, you can make flowers also, you can make gifts, you can also cook cookies if your father like it, or dessert or cake, or you can give him any memento for the Father's Day. Memento is something like a memorable thing which he can save it for the whole life. Okay, it's called memento. Go on a trip. Sadly, we cannot go on a trip because of the
You
situation right
can
now.
make a card, flowers,
Reading.
cook.
You will get the video and you can watch it there. I'm just reading it for you and showing you how to do. Okay. Now you cannot go on a trip, but you can spend the whole day with your father doing a lot of activities which you miss with your father doing it. Okay. So do that with your father. Write down on a paper. Write down on a paper what you miss with your father. Abraham, do you have any question?
मम्मा अभी अभी जो है ना मैं चैट में गया हूँ इतनी सारी चैट्स आई हुई है उसके अंदर जो है ना बच्चे ने जो है ना इसके साथ
Abraham, do you have any question?
प्लीज मिस प्लीज सबको म्यूट कर दे.
I did unmute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. Okay. Now let's further move on. Now make something special for the Father's Day. Yes, who's saying, Miss? Yes, what is your question? Yes, Hiba.
A video, but
Yes, Hiba. Sorry.
video भेजेंगी मैं.
I will share in the homework section this video also. Okay. But
मिस
I
कोई
am
दूसरी
explaining
पिक्चर
you
दिखाएं.
over here. Okay. So if you miss any slide,
मुझे कोई
if
ऐसी
you miss
पिक्चर
any
दिखाए जो हम
slide,
फादर्स डे के लिए कर चुके हैं.
I will make
मिस
this
कोई दूसरी
video for you. So
पिक्चर
don't
दिखाएं.
worry. Okay. Let's
ओके मिस.
continue. Let's continue with the idea how to make your father's
Magic
memorable day.
surprise memory box for you, father and father.
आपकी मेरी आवाज इसलिए नहीं आ रही बेटा because you guys have unmute yourself. I'm gonna mute you all.
ये लिखना है एग्जाम में. मिस ये लिखना है
Your
हमें.
father. There are numbered names, stars, boxes, a surprise box. Some of them.
Maheen, beta,
टीचर
rename
हटा ना
yourself.
कर दें.
Sumera Farhan, if you are not named, so rename yourself. There is an option. There is an option in your below the bar, bottom of your bar.
टीचर
You will see
सबको म्यूट
rename
कर दे.
yourself.
अभी टाइम पर लग जाएगा तुम्हारा.
मिस सबको म्यूट कर दें प्लीज.
I did mute your guys, but I think someone unmute themselves. Yes, Ishal, yeah.
I don't want to take the class. He is not interested in taking classes. I don't know.
Here's in
Okay.
Father's Day, na?
Yes, Father's Day
टीचर
is going to be on
म्यूटिंग कर
21st. Okay, I'm gonna stop the screen sharing and then I will mute you all. Okay, that's better. Now let's start the sharing screen and then first of all I want to remind you that you have to rename yourself. You must log in with your own name so that I can take your attendance. Okay, for the attendance you must mention your name in the bar. You can rename yourself. There's an option of the rename yourself when you enter. If you didn't enter with your name, you can rename after the joining also. So Galaxy J6, you can rename yourself. And Rukaya Javed also rename yourself. Beta Techno Spark 4, rename yourself. Sumaira Farhan. Maheen, your name is not mentioning over here. Rename yourself. And who else? Lino Talbia. Amna, your name is not mentioning. It's Lenovo Tab 2A1. How can I take attendance if you are not coming with your name? Come up with your name, okay? Okay, I'm gonna share the screen. Everyone, pay attention and get it ready for that, okay? There is a very interesting idea for you how to make a Father's Day memorable. So keep looking. And in the end, I will unmute you all so that you can ask question one by one. Remember, when in the class I'll teach you, you all have to be silent, and after the session is ended, you can ask question in the end. Just like the class, you have to do over here also. You cannot talk during the discussion, I'm telling you, okay? Okay, good to see that. Okay, how to make a I make a presentation on you to make a magic or surprise or a memory box. You are now in class 3 and you can make a box, magic box. You have seen in somewhere advertising, but here you can make on your own in your home with the materials you have. It doesn't matter if you have a cardboard or not. Okay, if you want to ask question, you can also chat me. I will see in the end. I will unmute you all. Don't worry. Okay, now make a magic box, surprise box, or a memory box for your father. Inside the box you can add pictures. If you have a pictures in your home, the previous pictures with your father, you can cut it out, or you can as it is paste in your box inside. You can also add chocolates, you can also make flowers, or you can also add the flowers if you have in your home. Okay, you can write wishes for your father if you have any, and you can also search in the Google for the best wishes for the father and anything you like to give to your father. Okay, there are numerous designs and styles to make a surprise box. Some of them are in this presentation. I gather for you, choose one of your liking and follow the instruction. Okay. Now there are some I'm gonna show you, which is the easiest one. This is the kind of box I'm talking to you. See the memory box. This will look beautiful when it's complete. This is not difficult. It just look like a difficult person. See, they are making a memory box. In memory box, you can add pictures. It's easy. Once you get to know how to make the first box, you can make it multiple boxes on your own style. How? I'm gonna share it. See, this is the heart shape box. This is the heart shape box. It is easy. They first make the square box, then another square box, then another big square, and then in the end they make a heart shape box. The looks, how does the box look like? It look like this in the end. Make a cover of that, and then you saw the shoe box. Yes, the shoe box is like this. This is the idea how to make it. First, what you're gonna do is make the first square box. I will share you how to make measurements on the simple card, and one by one you can make it into colorful card sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you. How do you want to arrange it, and how do you want to put inside it? It can be memory, it can be gift, it can be anything. Okay. See the in the left side, you can see they arranged in hexagonal shape. In the right side, you see here this box is arranged in a square shape. And in the bottom of the shape, they have shown you you can add wishes only, you can add chocolates, and you can add only pictures. And in the end, on the top of it, how can you decorate it? Okay. Next is this. It's very complicated, but it does look like complicated. But if you master for the simple box, you can do it the various style. Okay. Don't worry about it. You can start with the simple, making a square box. Then after making one, you will understand how to make the another one. Now this is the easy step for you. Number 1, the easy first box. Can you everyone see it? Ishal Yazir, raise a hand. Okay, Ishal Yazir, hold on. Let me see where you are. Yes, Ishal Yazir. Ishal Yazir, you can unmute yourself now. Yes, Ishal. What is your question? Yes, Ishal, you raise your hand. What is your question?
Teacher,
Hello?
I don't have a question.
You don't understand? Can you see the screen? I'm showing you the picture. How to make a box? Yes. Now follow the step. Number 1, you can see the box they made without cutting each pieces. You know how to make a square, right? Right, Ishan? Right, everyone? You know how to make a square? Now what you're gonna do is make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square. 5 square. 4 in the side and 1 in the center. Joining. You have to draw this 5 square together, then cut it out, the side part. The big square, let me show you in the art diagram. See, in the paint program, you have an option over here, the big square. You draw the big square over here first. Okay, now this is the square. Now what you're gonna do is divide into 5 parts. First, the center part, and then find out the center part, you make the 5. It's done. Now you see the 4. But what we need is the 2 upside down. So we're gonna make another one over here, line the center part. It's a bit mathematical, but once you know how to make it, you will easily make it for your father. The center of this line, in between 2 lines, find the center point. This one is the center. Okay, let me show you the easiest one. I'm going to show you the easiest one. How I'm going to do it. First square. Okay. Now what you're going to do is draw another square. Draw another one. Together. Now 3 is done. What is left? 5. We have to make 5 square. Now 3 on the vertical side, 2 on the horizontal. From the center, I'm going to make this one over on the right side and 1 on the left side, and it's done. Now see everyone, is it easy? Is it easy for you? Now you understand how to make it?
Yes. Dad,
Yes.
कंप्यूटर पे पेपर से बना के नहीं निकालिए.
You have to make 3 squares in the vertical line together and 2 on the left. 1 in the left, 1 in the right. That make the 5 square. This is your first box. Now what you're gonna do is cut on only the this part. This part you have to cut only. Okay, ये वाला part cut करना है. This one only. आपने ये वाला part cut करना है जिसमें कोई drawing नहीं की है. उसके अलावा आपने कोई cutting नहीं करनी है. Okay. तो ये आपका पूरा का पूरा one piece में आएगा. Okay, everyone. This piece is only cut this part, which I'm going to cross. Which I'm crossing those part only cut it out. इनको आपने कट करेंगे तो you got this one whole piece. You have to make the another one you are gonna make is the biggest one. ये जिस तरह जितनी आपने ये जो measurement ली होगी इस box के लिए you have to make another box with the bigger measurement. Same style but the bigger measurement. Same style but the bigger measurement. Okay, I'm telling you everyone. You're gonna make the same box, same style, but with bigger measurement. For example, if this box is 5 centimeter, then you have to make for 8 centimeter box so that you can see the box is getting outside of that. Okay, the base should be 5 because you're gonna paste one by one on the base. The base should be 5. For example, this is the base, it should be 5. Now I'm gonna make an 8 centimeter box on the top. 8 centimeter box on the top, or you can make the 8 centimeter overall. Every time you make another box, just make the bigger measurement. For example, this is the 5 centimeter box, you make 8 centimeter box, the bigger one. This big box. Same style but the bigger measurement. You have to do the same style, you have to repeat the same style by drawing the same 3 squares vertically and 2 square on the each side. Okay, this way you make the 3 or 4 boxes on your side but with the bigger measurement. See on this style, can you see this thing? They have made the same box with the bigger measurement. Now you see this one is the 1, number 2 and number 3. They make 3 boxes style, 3 square part with the bigger measurement. Number 1 is the 5th measurement, 5 centimeter. Number 2 is the 8. Number 3 is the 10. Okay, this way you can make the box. And then for the top part, you have to do the simplest way. I'm gonna show you how to make. See, this in this picture, it is clear how to make the other boxes. Number of square 1 for the top part. They make this thing which I've shown you already on the paint program. Make it the biggest sizes for the 3 boxes. You have to paste every boxes from the center one, the white highlighted part, this part. On the bottom of this part you have to paste every base together, every base together on the bottom side, from the bottom side. नीचे से paste करना है सारे boxes को. Okay, so that you can see every box is coming up together. That's how it look like. सारी base paste है and then you can see the layer 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. That's how you want to make it. Now you can add sheets by pasting them just like that, or you can clip them. You can arrange them with the beautiful ribbons. You can add wishes, you can add cards, you can add stickers, whatever you like. You can also make a heart shape designs. See this video, there are a lot of designs. Just start making the square box and then you will know how to make other styles. Okay, there are numerous styles, numerous. For the top part, see, this is a triangle box. It is not hard, but first you need to make a square so that you can know how to make a triangle one. The measurement is over here, how to make it. First, for the base part, they make a square or a diamond shape, you can see, and then triangle on 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And then for the overlapping, they share the folding part. Okay. Don't worry, I'm gonna share the video for you for easy access how to make it. This is how you're gonna make it. Now I'm gonna stop the screen sharing. I'm gonna ask you, do you have any question or everyone ask? Yes, everyone.
Miss Amna?
Yes, beta.
Miss Amna?
Yes, yes, yes.
Miss Amna, your block is over.
I stopped sharing screen. I'm going to ask question. Can you see
Miss
that?
Amna?
Yes. Ayan Ashraf, I can't see your face. Iba Bilal, I can't see your face.
बोल चुका बस
क्या बोला?
मिस आमना योर ब्लॉग इज ओवर क्या टाइम हो रहा है
Why you are sending?
Yes, everyone. Ask me the question if you have. Why you guys are chatting with each other? I told you to just chat with me if you have any question. Now ask me the question if you have any. We are almost up to the time. Ask me the question, everyone. Can you see all how to make the box? Did you see everyone how to make the box? Yes? Yes. If you are saying yes, please nod your head. Nod your head if you see that. Nod your head, Ziba. Or unmute yourself. Abraham, unmute yourself. Nod your head. Yes, good. Good. Good, everyone. Good. Show me your thumbs. Ayana Bas, did you understand how to make the box?
Yes.
Yes, good. Abdul Bari, do you know how to make the box? Do you get it? Abdul Bari, where are you? Hello, Abdul Bari.
हटाओ mic. Camera.
Abdul Bari, can you hear me? Good. Fatma?
Yes.
Amna? Did you get it how to make the box? Can you make it? Good. That's the spirit. Ehsan? Wow, you show the thumbs up. Angel, do you get it how to make it?
Yes.
Good. Maheen, you still didn't rename yourself. Did you get it how to make it? Hiba, I can see your face, but lower the webcam so that I can see your face clearly. Sumaira Farhan. Who is Sumaira Farhan? I don't know this person. Okay, everyone. That's easy. In next class, I want you to show me the first box. The very first box, how to make it. Then we'll discuss that what the problem you guys have faced. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's good. You will know very easy method. Remember 3 boxes, 3 square vertical and 2 boxes, 2 square on each side. 1 left and 1 right. Okay? 5 centimeter with the measurement of 5 centimeter, or you can take any measurement, but remember the measurement because for the next box you have to remember the measurement. For the next procedure you have to make the box bigger than the first box. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Good. Good. How many boxes do you want to make for your father? How many boxes? 1, 2, 3. How many layers do you want to make for your father? Ehsan? 5. 5. Do you want to make 5 boxes? Huh? Abdul Bari is still thinking, how many should I make? Ayana Bas is strange. Yes, Fatma. How many layers do you want to make? Decide yourself. The class is about to be end. See you guys in the next class, and please watch the school website for the homework and this video which I've already shown you the pictures. You can see the video where you can see the detailed thing. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hope to see the homework next time. Till then, take care of yourself and have a great day. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. बाय बाय।
बाय 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 एवरीवन।
ठीक है मिस, ड्रॉ कर दिया।